So, see next example. In this example, a balloon is ascending at the rate of 12 meter per second when it is at the height of 65 meter from the ground. A packet is dropped from it. After how much time and with what speed does the packet reach the ground, where the value of g is given to you. So, this question also can be taken like with respect to helicopter. Suppose the helicopter is going up with a certain speed and some packet is dropped from this, how much time it will take to fall on the ground and what distance it will fall, everything we can calculate. Similarly here, suppose you have taken this as a ground. At the height of 65 meter, a balloon is here. It is going up with the speed of 12 meter per second. Now, a packet is dropped from here. When the packet is dropped, it has tendency to go up with the same speed of 12 meter per second. We consider this point as origin. Every parameter upward to this origin we take positive and downward to this origin we take as negative. So, we know this formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. See, displacement is downside because the balloon has to cover the displacement 65. So, we can write minus 65 is equal to u is equal to 12 because up to the origin into t plus half minus 10 t square. We solve it, we can write minus 65 is equal to 12 t minus 5 t square. So, we can simplify this equation here and we can take 5 t square minus 12 t minus 65 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, but I think you can easily solve by splitting the middle term. So, you will be getting here 5 t square minus 25 t plus 13 t minus 65 is equal to 0. Here you can take common here 5 t. So, 5 t is here t minus 5 plus here you can take common 13, the t minus 5 is equal to 0. So, you will be getting two answers 5 t plus 13 into t minus 5 is equal to 0. If you take this one, you will be getting t is equal to minus 13 upon 5 seconds, and if you take this, you will be getting t is equal to 5 seconds. So, see here we have calculated time. So, we have got two time, that is one t is equal to minus 13 by 5 seconds and t is equal to 5 seconds. We know it time cannot be negative. So, this answer cannot be taken. So, ignore this. Now, you have to calculate velocity. With what velocity? With what velocity does the packet reach the ground? So, you can apply simple formula, just like here you can take simply v is equal to u plus at. So, you write here v is equal to 12 minus 10 into 5. So, that you can take here v is equal to 12 minus, and here we can take minus 50. So, it is your v is equal to minus 38 meter per second. So, this is the velocity with which the packet hit the ground, but here negative sign is here because upward to the origin we have taken positive and downward we have taken negative. That is why we are getting this negative sign, because when it is falling its velocity is direction is vertically downward.